I have a strange fascination with earwax removal, and this little kit here was sent for my review, and I am so excited. So at first when I opened it, I thought it was just one of these like spray nozzles, which on its own is absolutely fantastic, but it does also come with the little ear camera, which I'm going to show you in a second. But everything that it comes with, so you've got this really nice machine right here, and then the nozzle actually comes up, and I'm going to show you the sprayer in a second. And then in the back right here, you have the different modes. You can put it on normal, you can put it on soft, pulse, or strong. So just depending. I always advise people with stuff like this to start off with soft and then slowly build yourself up. It does also come with the different nozzles right here, just in case, multiple people are using it. Or of course, after a while they get a little bit grimy. This is rechargeable. It does come with the cable. This one here, the little camera, is also rechargeable, comes with the cable as well. And this also comes with a bunch of different tips for same reason if multiple people are using it, or after a while it's going to get super grimy. And it also comes with like the little tools here that you would be using to clean your ear. So with something like this, basically, and again I'll show you all of that in a minute, you would put this in your ear, you would turn it on, and then this is the little basin that would go underneath. So you would have this, hold on, give me a second. So this would go inside, this goes underneath, so this is going to catch the water that is going to come pouring out, which I will show you all of that in a second. But the first thing that I always like to do is, so with this little camera right here, so this is in real time, so you can see, wherever you're putting this, you can see what's going on. You just need to get the app, you connect it, super simple. So I am going to go ahead and show you inside my ear. I'm going to give you a little bit of a warning here. It is really gross. I have issues with my ears. I actually get my ears flushed, and it is about that time to do it because they're really disgusting. So if this is something that makes you squeamish, I would advise you turn away right now. It just takes a second. So this is in real time right now. This is what my earwax looks like, which is absolutely insane. So, and then this piece right here, so it is kind of hard for me to do. Look at that. We could pull this out. Yeah. It's right there. That is so gross. So anyways, it's really good just to be able to use this tool to go in there and check out. Again, you have to be really, really careful when you're digging around in there. You don't want to go too far. As you can see, I clearly started having a reaction. I was coughing. You could also really hurt yourself, so you need to take your time. But having something like this, I'm going to go ahead and put it on the mode. I want you to see how it comes out. So it is on normal right now. I want to, look, check that out. Dun, da, da, da. So this is on the normal mode, so it's not super strong. So that water is going to get inside that ear, and then hopefully it will help kind of loosen anything you've got going in there. My wax tends to be a little bit compact, so I usually put in some drops to kind of help loosen that up. Oh, there's a little bit of a floater inside there. Hard to see, but then obviously you just add some water, you do that, and then you can go in with the camera to see if it's actually gotten it out. So this tool right here I think is really awesome. I love that it comes with the camera tool. This is definitely one of my favorite features. This is the complete kit. It's awesome.